Good afternoon, everybody. What I have here is a daily chart in our market maker applications here. And so basically 7.64 is 2 1/2 deltas mathematically. We started with this big gap down that we did. And then they came back, and this is a bull move. Now just remember one thing. The lines are 7.64. Half a delta times 7.64. And we had the event today that there is an FOMC meeting coming out with the September rate hikes. So basically, when we gapped up in the S&P today, we ended up closing at 2139, almost perfectly flat for the day. So we can clearly see here that we had a 1, 2, 3, 1/2 delta. So that's going to be 3 times 7.64. And we can clearly see that the movement that will follow equals this. And I'm going to show you right now the 2100 put. It's a 9/23 expiration, and it's a Monday. Now, 21,170 contracts being purchased on this S&P 500, along with Tuesday and Wednesday announcement of the FOMC meeting at large. Basically, there is way big volume, and I'm just saying it that way because that's super big volume. And you know, when giving you the opportunity and the time to see, when this guy was buying 2,500 contracts at 4.5, and that you could see the bigger blocks. There are huge blocks, but this is going in toward the close right here. And, you know, we got up to 21,170 on the S&P 500. And we have a market maker chart right here for you. Again, it's going to be this one. And it's going to be the math. One of the things that we know for sure is that each one of these diamonds go right along here, man. And those diamonds are the bot system that we made. This diamond bot system is showing us what price really is. And then we know that 7.64 doesn't lie. And 1, 2, 3 right here to there. 3 1/2 delta times 7.64. Do the math. And so these are daily movements, but we continue to see overall a weaker price, even with the bull side going up. And then here we had a gap down, and we went back down there and we hit that delta line. And that delta line doesn't lie, and nor do the dollar price movements in the S&P. And we can clearly see why. That once again, when we take the half bar value, we already know what we're looking for in those. So basically, the S&P 500 sold short. The date 9/19. This is the MMT Market Maker daily application. And once again, just as a recap, 21,170 contracts on that 2100 put on 9/23.